There's a moment in your workshops when everything clicks. Someone who's been intimidated by Power BI finally creates their first dashboard. A manager discovers that they can actually analyse their data instead of just storing it. The confidence shift is visible and immediate. This is why you do what you do. Back at their desks, people encounter a feature that you didn't cover. They forget the shortcut, they hit an error message and start panicking. Without ongoing support, many drift back to their old workarounds or simply avoid the new software. Your clients hired you to drive technology adoption and productivity gains, yet you'll only get a few hours in a session to make that stick. On top of that, you're struggling with the operational complexity of running a digital skills business. Different skill levels need different content. Coordinating training environments, distributing practice files, tracking completions across multiple cohorts. It's endless admin work that takes away from your teaching. The market opportunity is enormous. Platform rollouts, digital transformation initiatives, upskilling programs. You're already stretched thin managing what you have. When you compete for corporate contracts, IT and L&D teams are comparing you to subscription platforms with skill tracking and usage analytics. Your hands-on training is objectively more effective, but without the digital infrastructure to demonstrate adoption rates and productivity improvements, you appear less modern and more operationally intensive. Guroo Academy changes this dynamic. Our all-in-one platform extends learning beyond your workshops while eliminating the administrative complexity that constrains your growth. Here's an example. Before training starts, participants complete a diagnostic assessing their digital literacy and platform familiarity. They receive levelised pre-work matched to their baseline, and they set some goals for the course. During your sessions, Academy helps you handle logistics, managing schedules, distributing resources, tracking attendance, and managing certification requirements, freeing you up to focus on facilitation. After workshops, learning continues through workplace application. Participants tackle real tasks using their new skills. You can set up their managers as coaches to support learners as they practice their skills. Online communities let people share tips, troubleshoot issues, and celebrate progress, extending your impact beyond the course. Automated follow-up sequences provide learning reinforcement and application reminders. Progress dashboards give you and your clients visibility over where learners are up to in their skill development. Guroo Academy was built for trainers who know that capability develops through hands-on instruction and guided practice. No more losing contracts to platform providers who just look more sophisticated. No more turning down opportunities because you can't handle the volume. Grow your digital training business with systems designed for how people actually learn technology. Visit Guroo.academy to see how digital skills trainers are scaling impact while simplifying operations.